Hi friends! Today I'm excited to share a quick and delicious chicken and red kidney bean curry. Like a Mexican chili, this curry is made in one pot with ground meat, beans and aromatic Indian spices and ready in 30 minutes. Perfect if you need dinner on the table quickly. Namaste friends and welcome back to Flavors of Home with Rash. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, and I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. Start with a pan on medium-high heat. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, a tablespoon of ghee. Once the oil turns hot, it's time to add whole spices, dried red chili, a star anise, 1-inch cinnamon stick, and a couple of bay leaves. Next, add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, that is methi, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera. Saute that for a couple of seconds. Next, go in our finely chopped onions. Saute the onions and let them sizzle and soften down for 2 to 3 minutes or until a lovely golden color appears. Add a teaspoon of salt. That helps the onions soften down faster. Careful the onions don't turn too brown as they will taste bitter. This is the color of the onions and the texture we're looking for. At this point, add a tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Fry on medium heat for 2 minutes. And now friends, it's time for the star of the show, the ground chicken. You can also switch it up with pork, beef, lamb, or even turkey if you like. Quick tip, if you're using chicken, go for leg or thigh meat. Breast meat tends to dry out and get a little chewy, and nobody wants that. As your chicken hits the pan, you might see some chicken pieces clumping together. No worries. Grab your spoon and gently break them apart as much as you can. Now the meat is nicely seared and isn't pink, so turn the heat to low and make a little well like this in the center because it's spice time. Add a splash of hot water to prevent the spices from burning, a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder or paprika, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. You can also substitute paprika instead of Kashmiri if you prefer not to have the heat. Saute everything together. Then comes 2 cups of chopped fresh tomatoes. You can also use a cup of canned crushed tomatoes if tomatoes are not in season. I also added a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and then add in a cup of hot water. Cover on medium heat and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, lift off the lid and check how our curry is doing. Excellent. You can see the oil separation at the sides of the pan. This means our curry is cooking nicely. Now I added in some frozen mixed veg, and then our red kidney beans come tumbling down. I have used dry beans cooked in my pressure cooker for this recipe, but you can also use canned kidney beans or any beans of your choice. Doesn't have to be red kidney beans. But remember, if you use canned beans, please discard the water and rinse it well before adding to the curry. Now cover and simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our curry is almost ready, but there is more deliciousness on the way. A cup of unsweetened coconut milk and a 1/4 cup of hot water. If you don't like coconut milk, you can also add chicken or vegetable broth or maybe plain hot water instead. I also added a teaspoon of garam masala powder. I'll link my homemade garam masala powder recipe below in the description if you'd like to try it. And also added a tablespoon of crushed dried fenugreek leaves, that is kasuri methi. Both these aromatics will give our chicken bean curry that wonderful aroma and flavor explosion. At this point, I did a taste test to adjust for seasonings. I felt like it needed a little more salt. If you want more heat, add more chili powder. If you find it to be too sour, balance it by adding a little sugar. Oh, and also I removed all the whole spices, the star anise, cinnamon, and the bay leaf. Then I added lots and lots of fresh coriander. You can also add any greens of your choice like baby spinach. And this one pot goodness is ready to be served. You can serve it over a bed of hot steamed rice or have it with any flatbread. It is nutritious and so delicious. Your family will thank you. You can drizzle over sour cream on top, but the serving is totally optional. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please like, share, and I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. Please check out my other videos linked on the screen now. Until next time, bye-bye.